Hi there, welcome back. So today we're looking at our big brake kit that we now have available. It's a bundle online, so you get a better price when you buy all the components together. This is the 340mm brake disc, which was optional on the late Turbo R's and two-door Continentals and Azures. You could fit this to an earlier car, but you'd need to change the calipers. This is basically everything that you need to change the discs and pads on a car that's already got the big brakes. We've only got one of the front discs up here because they're pretty heavy and we're taking them upstairs. So you've got one disc there to show. These are the rear discs. They're handed. The threads, as you know, on a Rolls-Royce and Bentley, you've got a left-hand thread and right-hand thread on the rear hubs, and the studs are part of the disc. So these, on some of the early ones, you'd find that these studs will actually spin when you try and undo the wheel nuts if they've been done up too tight. So sometimes you have to get a hold of the back of them to stop them from spinning. But yeah, they're the rear discs. You have to split the hubs to replace the rear discs. We've done a video before on splitting the rear hubs, but if you've got this type of disc, then you'll have the easy hubs to split because they'll be on splines. The drive shaft flange will be on a spline rather than on a wood rough key and a taper, so they're easy to split. The main reason why we're now promoting this bundle is because we've recently had these pads. These are the big brake pads that go on these discs. There's a few upgrades on these pads actually, because originally they would have had a horizontal groove across here, which was found to actually, it causes a build-up of material on the brake disc, and that can increase the noise. Also, the shims on the back have been upgraded to help reduce the noise. I've been able to get versions of these pads for quite a while, but these are the right ones, and you also get the complete kit. So you get these type of pins that retain the pads. So you've got 2 on each caliper. They're basically a giant split pin that you open up to lock them in, and new springs. 2 of the pads have got the sensor cable, which is only 1 on each side. The rear pads are the same whether you've got the big front brakes or not. So they're the same as any other late car, and you get the complete set of springs and pins and clips. So this is a UV35436 kit. It's available online, and like I say, if you buy the complete brake replacement kit, then you get a discount on it. Thanks for watching.